Pakistanis for the first time after 1971 war witnessed very intense situation along with international borders. Apart from many other reasons, Israeli-made Indian drones takes much attention because they penetrate well within Pakistani airspace. More than 77 drones were shot down by army and local people. Indian drones entered in Pakistan airspace from multiple locations of Pakistan-India border, area of 3,320 kilometers, 2,063 miles. They entered from the northern state of Jammu and Kashmir to the zero point between Gujarat in India and Sindh province in Pakistan. Ironically, Indian drones have much popularity due to direct public interaction and penetration of these drones well within cities, but on other side Pakistani drones perform tremendously that Indian armed forces could not even assume. According to the government of India's official press briefing, Pakistan launched between 400 to 500 drones in a coordinated reconnaissance and SIGINT operation. A SIGINT operation refers to the practice of collecting and analyzing electronic signals to gather intelligence. This involves intercepting, decoding, and analyzing various types of electronic signals, including communications and electronic emissions like radar. The goal is to extract valuable information from these signals to support national security, military operations, and other intelligence objectives. These intrusions, some deep into Indian territory, were designed to trigger Indian air defense systems into activating radars and launching interceptors. This allowed Pakistani planners to map Indian air defense assets and gather critical electromagnetic data. Circumstantial evidence suggests that Pakistan used this intelligence on the night of May 10 to jam Indian air defense systems and launch cruise missile strikes, targeting S-400 heavily protected airbases. On the morning of May 10, 2025, Pakistan announced destruction of 4 Indian high-value targets, that is, S-400 at system at Adampur, Suratgarh and Sirsa, BrahMos base at Nagrota and artillery guns positions. Indian authorities, however, categorically refuted all these claims, but they are not yet proved their claims. Later there were reports that Pakistan's launched drones again, but likely to confirm the destruction of Indian targets. Pakistan has invested heavily in drone manufacturing for last 10 years using indigenous capabilities acquired from Turkey and China. Pakistani Air Force, Navy and land forces using variety of drones, not imagined by Indians before this war. The Year 3 kamikaze drone, for example, is a Turkish drone that is reportedly being locally manufactured in Pakistan. Pakistan Air Force also used Turkish Bayraktar TB2 in recent conflict of India and Pakistan. This is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, male, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations. This drone is war-proven weapon, extensively used by Turkish armed forces, Libya, Azerbaijan, Ethiopia and Ukraine in real war scenario. Pakistan's state-owned defense conglomerates, such as the National Engineering and Scientific Commission, NESCOM, Global Industrial Defense Solutions, GIDS, and the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, in camera, have acquired the infrastructure and technology to manufacture the entire spectrum of drones. NESCOM, with Chinese collaboration, is manufacturing Buraq drone variants based on the Chinese CH-3A design. The male drones are capable of surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes. GIDS manufactures a wide range of drones. These include Sharp R2 Block 2 series, Sharp R1, Sharp R2, Sharp R3, male ISR drones, which are also capable of precision strikes with laser-guided munitions like the Bark missile. Akab series, Akab P1, P2, tactical UAV capable of ISR for short-range tactical missions using OIR sensors. Ranger tactical UAV drone, manufactured by GIDS, can undertake intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, reconnaissance, ISTAR, and artillery fire correction. Sarfayesh canister-launched kamikaze drone, with a range of around 1,000 kilometers, is capable of long-range precision strikes on high-value targets. GM500 tourist stealth loitering munition, likely developed by GIDS and manufactured by National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, is a recent development. Indian sources reports of the use of unknown drones. It's possible that the stealth drone was used by Pakistan during Operation Bunyan al-Mahsus. The POF Ababil Mr. 10 multirotor drone, developed by Pakistan Ordnance Factories, POF, is fitted with a machine gun and is capable of armed reconnaissance and close support missions. The Jasus 2 Bravo Plus tactical UAV developed by SATUMA, surveillance and target unmanned aircraft, is used for reconnaissance and training. Additionally, Pakistan has secured contracts for licensed production of foreign drones, notably from Turkey. These include the Ty-Anka male drone developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries can perform ISR and precision strike missions. Ty-Anka drone. Selex Falco tactical reconnaissance and surveillance UAV was developed by Italy's Leonardo. FPV drones. Notably, Pakistan has not heavily invested in FPV drones yet. If it had, we would likely have seen the use for ceasefire violations or neutralizing Indian mortar and gun positions. Globally, battlefield tactics are evolving rapidly, with FPV drones at the forefront. India's DRDO has developed CUAS technologies primarily for VP protection. Currently, battlefield drone threats are countered using EW systems, with mixed success. AD missiles, which are expensive and unsustainable for large-scale drone defense. India heavily relied on Israeli technology for its drone arsenal. India extensively used Heron, Searcher 2, purchased by Israel. Indian using these drones since 2000. Rustam series, Nishant, Netra Switch UAV, Tapas BH201, Archer and Lakshya are the local brand. All these drones were not used in recent war between India and Pakistan. This is a very strange fact that in this 4-day war India from Navy to Air Force and her land forces avoid local weaponry usage. Indian also acquired MQ-9B Guardian from USA not used in this conflict. An effective interceptor drone must be 10 times cheaper than a reconnaissance drone, have high speed and altitude performance, and use AI-based terminal guidance. The Ukraine war has shown that smart drone deployment allows smaller nations to hold ground against larger adversaries. It's plausible that Pakistan carefully gamed its 4-day confrontation with India to leverage its drone superiority. Pakistani capability in drone manufacturing and successful usage in wartime scenario not only gave tremendous confidence to armed forces but also gave boom to local industry in Pakistan.